Hi, you two. Hi, everybody. This is your girl, G, Mom and Family. Hi, everybody. Thanksgiving. I don't know how much time I got. I got 5 minutes on to be on here for my for the stop. Just, just subscribe and ring that bell for notification. Let me know that y'all giving me praise or whatever. And I'm just gonna say happy Thanksgiving to other YouTubers. You're out there getting fat, you're eating all that food. Enjoy. Just enjoy it. Life is too short. I know I got finished eating. I can feel it. My pants I got tight. I should have showed to you earlier what I ate, but my plate is empty. I had some FuFu, y'all. My granddaughter had some FuFu she bought it, and I taste it. I like it. I just the FuFu I had it tastes like potatoes, but it had no season. And a sushi soup, that stuff was spicy. It looked like spinach. It's a little piece of chunks of garlic. And what else in there? That stuff was spicy. It ain't had no meat, but I had some meat. I add PIGFEET to that FuFu. It was sushi soup, and I ate it. That was was my PIGFEET right there. And that's just a sushi soup with a little piece of FuFu and the rest of the little bit of it's sushi soup. I hope I'm saying that right. Right now, my PIGFEET. This is what the PIGFEET. I ate it up and took the little pieces off and put it with the sushi soup. And I got a little piece of FuFu left. I'm full. I'm gonna try to eat it later down the road. It's only five. It's only 5:57. Look like it's going like 8 or 9 o'clock. That's how it feels. It get dark early. So everybody Thanksgiving. Mine was okay. I love it. Definitely talking to my sister, my mom, and my son, my oldest son that's left. I had a, I had a happy, safe Thanksgiving. Y'all be safe out there. So I got okay. I got less than 2 minutes. My boom boom, she upstairs. She don't know I'm on here. I know somehow I gotta figure out how to get me some new storage. Cause I don't want to delete all my stuff. I'm not gonna store it. See, store in the kitchen. My daughter. That's the food. That's how cooking. I did cook a hen and cook the pet feet. We got turkey wings. We don't have whole turkey. I don't like whole turkey. I like the wings and ham, baked macaroni. Yeah. Cooking.
Yeah.
She don't like. She don't like being on the camera right now. Cause man, it's glamorous. This the FuFu right here. They got the FuFu. That's the FuFu stuff right there. The rest of that is my granddaughter's. I can't eat it all. You can force the FuFu. That's dope. But it tastes like potatoes. You look like you need some butter, some garlic on it. That's what it tastes like. And it's missing. But I ate it. You see the parade? I missed the Philadelphia parade, but I saw some of the New York parade. It's getting cold. I feel the air. It was nice. You gotta be safe. Uh, almost, almost that time. Gonna give me 5 minutes to talk to y'all. It got cool out here. The neighborhood. They probably full, lit. Enjoying the Thanksgiving. Be thankful, everybody. Thankful